In this video, I will show you how to create a conditional access list for a file, allowing to open a file from one application and not allowing to open it from another one. The very first thing I have to do is to launch AppLocker on this particular machine. So sc start app IDSVC, and the AppLocker server is starting. I have to create whatever. Default rules are perfectly okay. I can verify if rules are configured. They may be configured for audit only. And now, if I have everything configured, I have to wait until my AppLocker configuration gets consumed by the driver. So let's wait a second. After a couple of moments, I can observe an exclamation mark appearing here. If I refresh my event log, I will see AppLocker policy was applied successfully, so it is working. Right now, I will launch Process Hacker, the easiest way to observe details of the process token. So, the Process Hacker is the old one, but it does not matter that much. x64 Process Hacker. Right now, I can pick any process. I will launch, let's say, Notepad from here. I will find this Notepad within my Process Hacker over here. If I go to this Notepad, go to token, then go to advanced, I will see within attributes of the token some very special attributes being put to the token by the AppLocker driver. Especially the first one saying the path is system32 notepad.exe. Right now, if I know such values are being put into the token by the AppLocker driver, I can create an ACL, access control list, containing access control entry using this particular value for making some rules working and other not. I have it ready, saying this particular rule is for the text.txt file, and the rule says allow built-in admins everything, allow local system everything, but allow built-in users everything using a callback allow if the path is any of, and I have specified Notepad or cmd.exe, which means admins and local system can do anything with this file, but built-in users can have full access to the file only if the path is Notepad or CMD. Okay, I will copy it as path, shift right click, copy as path. I will go to the test folder. There is nothing within the test folder. Echo AAA into the test.txt file, and now I will apply my rules ICL cls dot restore and the name of the file. As you can see, rules are successfully processed, and now this conditional ACL is being put on the test.txt file. If you try to see it from graphical interface, it will fail. Well, because from the Explorer it will fail because you are users and you have no permission for Explorer. If you see it from ICL CLS, for the test.txt file, you will see a bit of strange information, absolutely no information about the conditional ACL. What I will do now, I will switch to my user1 account, user1, and then its password, and then I can see, I will launch CMD, and I can do dir c test, and you can see test.txt exist. As I have specified rules allowing to read test.txt from CMD and from Notepad. So I can do type test CMD, and it works. If I do the same file for the more command, another one, displaying the content of the file, but not being cmd.exe, it will be not allowed. If I do notepad test.txt, which is allowed, it will work. But for example, if I go for the PowerShell, and I will do a type command displaying me the file content, and c test test.txt, I will see it is not allowed. So it clearly depends on the process being used for this particular purpose. I will open it in the notepad again. Okay, and I will switch back to my admin over here, log on as an admin, and you can see here within the process hacker, for example, for the notepad I have run as a user 1, within the token there is an attribute saying it is notepad. It is why it is allowed. If I launch PowerShell, the information over here will say it is PowerShell, which is clearly not listed on my list of allowed applications, so PowerShell will not open this particular file for user not being admin and not being local system. Have fun playing with this, and from my side it's basically it.